welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing or unpacking 2 packages today. But just see what I have, what I've gotten from Amazon. So please stay tuned of what I have. So here's the one package right here. And this is, I think, my spacers that goes. My spacers. The ones that I have. The one that y'all seen before. My spacers. I already done opened this one to see if it's what I really got. Because, you know, be sitting there sending the wrong stuff. I got time for that. But I'm opening this up. Move the box out of the way. And I have these little spacers that it's like the other ones. Little charms. Got love and starfishes and seashells and the little things that be shooting arrows on it to people or wherever. But this is the charms. Of course, these. Can't go wrong with these because you need them whenever you do your bracelets. I have these beads. Got different colors on there. I like this blue one. Got pink, you got black, you got green, blue. Let me see if I can open them so y'all can see how they look. This is what really got me with the colors, different colors on there. I like that. These colors to blend in with these colors. Then you have, I got a whole bunch of these glass beads. Different colors in blue. You have pink, hot pink, whatever color that is. You have this pink, this yellow. You have purple. You have more pink, more green. Well, green. You got purple. You got more green. Blue. Orange. You have burgundy. And those. You have more light. You got pink, light pink, light purple. You have gray. Blue. Go on and on and on. I like these beads. I really do. That's why I got them. I don't like the clay beads. I don't know what about them clay beads I don't like, but I don't like them. So, I have 3 of them. And I ain't used it ever since. a while back because I don't like them colors. I don't like clay beads. I love these though. So yeah, stay tuned of what design I'm gonna be using with what I just got. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Of course, please do that. But yeah, be back. So this is what I'm going for. That God's giving me. It's these colors right here. I have the butterfly silver charm, another silver butterfly charm, and a flower charm that's silver. These spacers that is round, well, circles. So yeah, stay tuned of what I'm gonna be doing with these glass beads and charms and spacers. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm using this size string. I'm gonna do some off camera. I mean on camera. And I'm gonna do some off camera and show y'all what I have. But I wanna know how was y'all day? How y'all day going so far this morning? And in between these videos, I'm gonna show y'all the bracelets that's left, which y'all can purchase. If y'all haven't seen my other video that has a website on there, well, where y'all can purchase the bracelets, go back and see which ones y'all want, but I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I have that's on hand. Those people's been getting them, liking them and getting them. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm coming back with this design that I'm going for. So I'll be back. There you go, one of them. Put the flower on there. Well, yep, and go one. Come back with the I'm gonna come back with the other one half done on off camera and then do the rest on camera. So this is what I have so far. And what I'm going for on the second bracelet. So what I'm gonna do, move these out the way. Then I'm gonna loop it around. And put more more beads on there. 'Cause not fitting like it should be. But what I'm gonna really do is see if it's the same size as this one. And it is. I don't know. Let me find another way to tie these up. Because I really don't like tying them like this. Really. Because it's not hiding my charms. I mean, not charms. The knot that's in here. But yep. Here's the other one. And I'm going to do the last one offline and come back and show you the sets. Okay. Let's see. This is what I have. It went for. And we have these together. I don't know what I'm going to name them yet, but what I have. I think it's cute. So what I'm going to do is get my stuff. Make sure the charms is facing the way that it needs to be facing. And I put them, I have 2 of them. Put it on here. And voila. Then I'm going to take it and put it in my bag. In my bags. This is what I have. I came up with. What God came up with. And put it in my mind. And this is what I have. So I'm going to put it in here. We're going to do another video, another bracelet. So stay tuned for that one. Okay, I'm going to show y'all the ones that I have left. I have this one left. This one. And this one. And this one. And this one. Out of the recent videos I've done, they got gone. So yep, them the only ones that I have left out of what I done made. So yeah, stay tuned for the next bracelet that I'm about. So this is the color that I'm going for. I ain't putting no charms on these this time. Just the beads, the glass beads and the spacer on there. Make sure my mic's still on, cause be pissing me off. I'm going for this green color. See what I can work with this green. And the the yarn, the thread is thinner because the thick ones won't go in there when I go to pull it through to hide the knots. So let's see how this thread. Let me see how this thread goes. If it goes through there without breaking, because this is thin and I don't want to be looking crazy. I hate when these things run away from me. Like it's saying, I don't want to go, I don't want to be on there. And eventually it's going to be on there. But I'll be back probably with 2 of them done. This is the first one and the second one I'm doing off camera. So yeah, this is what I have done right here. So I'm going to do the other one probably on camera and then go off and then show y'all the rest. I have one more left and it will be the end of the video after do the last one. So yeah, I'm doing the last one. But if y'all really want a bracelet and all that stuff, just go on my site that's pinned in the video before this one, as in the previous one. That's all y'all have to do, and click on the links below in the description. And I have showed y'all the ones that I have. So some of them on there is already taken. I just gotta take them off. That pink one I did is already taken. I think I took the other ones off. Just the pink one is still on there. I have to take it off of there. And if you see the ones that I just did, if y'all like them, just let me know and I'll stick it on there for you can get them. Nothing but to do it. And I get all my stuff from Amazon. Amazon is where I get all my stuff from. I'm about to do it. About to do the rest offline, and off camera. Keep saying offline, but it off camera, and so this is the final touch of this set. Got hearts and some other kind of shape spacer on there, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do, put it on here, close it up, put it in a bag, and yeah. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video.